Guys, I'm so excited. Guess what came? Guess what came? You probably know. I actually started to already open it, but I'm going to open it with you. So the first thing I'm noticing is this is so soft. I'm gonna have to brush it out. I'm so excited. Let me try it on. Hold on like this, I think, and then I think I'm gonna add tea first. Okay, now exhale. Burn in my mouth. I'm running out of time, so I'm gonna untie this off camera, and then I'll show you. I'm so excited. Look, I'm gonna have to brush it out, so I'll do a part 2, by the way. So yeah, let me go ahead and do this. Here it is. Come back for part 2.